Hey guys, good evening. A little late here with the end of day review. It has been a crazy work week for this guy, so we'll just kind of dive in here and get right into it. Obviously, if you saw the intraday update, you'll know kind of how the pre-market plan shaped up, what I was thinking about for the afternoon. Looked like it was largely holding true until the last 10 minutes. This is a 2-minute chart going into the last 10 minutes, but what you can see is that absent holding this position here, the second we sold down under it, the odds of actually getting kind of stuck down closer to this key magnet strike on the day was more powerful than the lack of balance of a similar kind of dealer long to the upside, right? There was just more to sell off from this strike into the close than there was to like actually get magnetized any higher. But we pretty much did what I said we would do in the afternoon about kind of chopping and grinding around this main balance area if we didn't drift lower. So it ended up kind of both things becoming true. But if you do go back and look at the pre-market profile as opposed to the intraday and look at the key strikes and balances on the day, pretty much the supportive range that we kind of opened and dropped down into around this key strike at 75.90 became our ceiling. We drifted back up and kind of chopped right under it, right? Which is what you would expect, some kind of magnetism to that area. We just had the extra layer of confluence that the intraday positioning said if it's kind of balancing right about here, but any failures to hold that area, you knew that you were open to come down to this next strongest balance, which had grown so much during the intraday. So I think it was a really great opportunity to become more familiar, even just from a basic, key range kind of ideology intraday versus what happened around here about 10:30, the London close. What story did we get told? We didn't have a real strong balance above. Anything that we did test higher into would likely kind of hold us there and fail back a little bit lower. But we knew where the key support was on the day. Obviously, after the close, we sold off, which has more to do about tomorrow and kind of some volatility dynamics, which we can get into in the pre-market. So stay tuned tomorrow. Hopefully, we can be back on stream. If not, you've got Ron G tonight, you've got Alan, and then Jake tomorrow morning before Christian and I, assuming I can be back. So hopefully, you guys are trading well and safe. It's a fun time in the market. Obviously, there's a lot going on. Can't go up forever. Doesn't mean we have to sell off completely either. So we'll see what the structure says for tomorrow in the morning. All right, stay tuned.